FLOMEC's oval gear series of flow meters are highly accurate positive displacement meters that will enable you to accurately batch and blend fluids in your installation. Assembled at either our Wichita, Kansas or Caringbah, New South Wales, Australia locations, FLOMEC's oval gear meters are designed for use in agriculture, construction, oil and gas, and mining, where accuracy and repeatability are essential. OM Series is available in durable materials with a wide range of chemical and solvent compatibility, including stainless steel, aluminum, and PPS in line sizes from 1/8 inch to 4 inches, supporting flow rates from 0.26 gallons per hour to 400 gallons per minute. FLOMEC's oval gear meters are our most accurate mechanical meters and are factory calibrated to produce highly repeatable measurements with accuracy as high as 0.2%. Constructed from robust materials, OM series meters are capable of operating at pressures up to 5,800 psi at temperatures up to 300 degrees Fahrenheit. FLOMEC OM series meters are available with reed switch, Hall effect, quadrature pulse, and 4 to 20 milliamp outputs, and can be configured with a digital or mechanical local display suited for batching operations or volumetric measurement in both manual and automated systems. When equipped with a local display, OM supports a variety of diagnostics features and user-configurable volume and time measurement units. The local display can also be programmed with high and low limit set points, which can be used as alarms for proper monitoring of your processes. Oval gear meters are capable of working with various fluids over a wide range of viscosities and are not affected by temperature fluctuations, changes in viscosity, or pulsating flow. FLOMEC OM series can be installed immediately before or after valves, bends, and piping runs, or immediately after a pump, and are not subjected to the straight run requirements of velocity meters, allowing for tidy installation within cabinets, behind control panels, or around other equipment. Install best practices. When installing a FLOMEC oval gear flow meter, the integrated display should be oriented to face the user. The meter should not be oriented with the terminal cover or integrated display facing vertically up or down. This ensures the rotor bearings are properly resting on their shafts, minimizing wear. When installing on a vertical pipe, the meter should be plumbed such that flow is directed upwards. FLOMEC oval gear meters should be plumbed upstream of flow control or shutoff valves. A mesh strainer should also be installed upstream of the flow meter to protect from debris. Following your initial startup procedures after the meter is installed, the strainer should be regularly inspected and cleaned. All piping around the flow meter should be well supported and secure to protect the flow meter joints from unnecessary stress. 3 and 4 inch meters require additional support on the pipe flanges on both sides of the meter to minimize strain on fittings and adjacent piping. This support should be installed directly onto the fittings and not the meter housing. Stainless steel flanged connections should be secured with metallic gaskets and high-strength bolts. Aluminum flanges should follow the standard requirements for cast iron flanges, using gaskets that meet ASME B16.5 Annex C standards and low to intermediate strength bolts. A bypass or isolation line should also be installed to allow periodic maintenance without interrupting your processes. Bypass lines will also allow you to bleed air from your pipes following installation or maintenance. If a bypass line has not been installed and no alternative for bleeding air upstream of your meter exists, then the air volume of your piping should be bled slowly through the valve downstream of the meter. When installing meters with threaded joints, sealing pastes or liquids that are compatible with your pipe material should be used in place of PTFE tape. Fittings should be finger tightened and then tightened a further 1 to 2 turns. When wiring your oval gear meter, refer to your owner's manual for the appropriate wiring configuration. Oval gear meters should be wired with an emphasis on minimizing any electrical noise. Power supplied to an OM flow meter should be through a regulated power supply, isolated from other large current draws like pumps or generators. Good quality twisted pair, low capacitance, shielded instrument cable should be used. Wiring should be routed in dedicated conduits, and cable shielding should be terminated at the receiving instrument end. Cable shielding should not be terminated at the flow meter. If you have any questions, you can call our support line and speak to a product support representative in our factory that will assist you with installation, maintenance, repair, and warranty questions. This responsive live service is our legacy and our commitment to you. Thank you for choosing FLOMEC.